In today's video, I'm giving my laundry slash mudroom closet a refresh from disaster to aesthetically pleasing. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Welcome back, and if you are new here, my name is Brittany and I do home and lifestyle videos here on this channel. So if you're interested in that sort of content, hit the subscribe button below and let's get into this video. So I miss my laundry room in my old house so much. This laundry situation is more of a closet, and so I've been treating it more like a storage room, and I am embarrassed to say that it looks this way, but today I'm taking care of this. This is a no judgment zone. Every area of our house isn't always perfect all the time, and although it won't be my dream laundry room that I have in my mind because I'm not able to use my washer and dryer that's stored in the garage, I'm taking what I have and I'm gonna make it better. Let's get to organizing. So now that I've cleaned out the laundry room, I'm going to take everything that I have on hand that I'm going to be putting back into the laundry room. These Molly Suds, these are dryer balls that I actually got in a All True Lifestyle subscription box. I've unboxed that on my channel, so if you are interested in lifestyle subscription box reviews, I do have some of those on my channel. I do like the dryer balls, however, I do still prefer dryer sheets, so I do keep dryer sheets on hand. However, the dryer balls are more eco-friendly. I do want to store them in a clear container so that I can make sure that I am using them. And so I picked up this clear container from just my local grocery store. And then I picked up some more Tide Pods. These are my favorite detergent to clean with. I actually like to buy them in the big tin of them because I feel like you get a better value, but it's on shortage. So I had to buy a couple of the bags so I could use those to refill my containers. The containers that I use, I picked up at Target. I also picked up more of the scent boosters. I really like these. They are so fragrant and they're really pretty. However, if you do use these, I recommend that you store them up high in your laundry room because they do look like candy to kids. Store them up high, but I do recommend them because they make your clothes smell amazing. If you saw my last Walmart shop with me, then you saw that I picked up this container from Walmart. And why? Because it matches the Target container so well. The lid is the same color type of wood, almost the same stain. It just doesn't have the little circular hole in the top of it like the Target ones do. Target does have one that's comparable, but the wood top is a different color. So that's the reason why I picked it up from Walmart. And this is where I'm going to store my liquid laundry detergent. I used the Arm & Hammer with OxyClean. This is the one that I had on hand, and then I bought a second one because I was almost out. But when I'm really trying to get out rough stains, or if I'm washing like white bed clothes, this is what I'll use over the Tide Pods. These tins I picked up from Walmart. When I went there in the last Walmart video, they didn't have these from what I saw, but they did have these a year ago, ironically the last time that I had gone to Walmart to shop home decor. And so I picked those up then and I have been using them. I do really like them. They come with 3 different kinds of tins. One is a caddy, the other 2 are smaller tins. One's bigger and comes with a scoop. The bigger one with the scoop, I store my Tide powder detergent in. This comes in handy when I run out of Tide Pods, and it's just a good backup to have. Plus it does smell amazing. And then in the caddy, I put dryer sheets in there. The smaller one, I've been storing just some clothespins that I've had. My sister had bought them for my baby shower 3 years ago, so I've just always held on to them. I've thought about getting rid of them, but actually they look Really cute for an aesthetic if you want to store them in a clear glass drawer in your laundry room, which I plan to do in my next laundry room. But for now, I'm going to keep them in these tin. And I actually was watching one home and lifestyle influencer, and she was actually wishing that she had some clothespin because they would have come in handy for her at the time with the video that she was shooting. So I was like, well, maybe I shouldn't get rid of these. So this is what I'm working with now. I'm just going to move a few things around and I'm going to start putting things back and organizing. So I wanted to point out, if too many colors can throw you off and really isn't your aesthetic, then you might not want to have clear containers. But for me, I love clear containers. That sort of thing doesn't really bother me. And so although I have all these varying different colors, the Tide Pods do match the detergent. The scent boosters match the Tide Pods. The last thing that I added was this lint shaver that I just purchased from Target, I believe it was, and it was only $10. But this thing, I know I'm probably super late, but it is really convenient to have when your clothes pick up lint. Certain fabrics do not work well with lint because it will stick, like lint will stick to a lock. So it's perfect to have this little shaver. So I'm just going to store it behind my lint balls because that's actually what I bought it for.
Tear us apart. I pray you'll find a way to mend your broken heart. Yeah, you can show me a new place to start. And you decide if you want to play pretend. And you
So this is the finished product. This is like, this does so much for me to just see a clean space, because if you know anything about me, as long as it's organized, I'm good. Like the deep cleaning I can do later, but it has to at least be organized, because when things are organized, it looks clean. You feel me? So I'm so glad that I did this. Now my brain can function properly. I can get my laundry done. Everything is out in the open. I can see where everything is. I can see if it needs to be refilled, repurchased. I have backup supply at the top. I've got bins down below that I can store doggy toys and different things in. It's functional for what I need at the current moment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it motivational. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comments and tips down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content like this. And I hope to see you in another video, which might be somewhere on your screen. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.